In this week's vlog, Sam, Natalia, and I are headed north of Monterey to check out the Grutas Garcia caves. We paid 750 pesos for a tour bus to take us from central Monterey all the way to the town where we'll check out the caves, a museum, grab some lunch, and then head back home. Yo, there's so many bees around here. You guys, there's so many bees. It's a lot of bees. I don't know why. It's a lot. Oh, I'm scared of heights. Here we go. So you scared of heights? Yeah. Oh, this will be interesting.
All right.
I prefer to hike up. Yeah, let's take the cable car.
Yeah. I love it. It's so fast.
I was wondering where the employee was. Oof. You guys, I hate heights. I just really hate heights. Like, whew, big chicken. But he said it's like 16 degrees, or 16 degrees Celsius in the cave, so don't bring a jacket.
Saw that movie the other day, Malignant.
Mm-hmm.
So messed up.
Yeah, oh my god. The prison scene where she was in jail.
Just kills everyone.
Yeah, it just destroys the. I would have played dead. I feel like Batman.
Se debe que más adelante, en lo alto de la montaña, se encuentran dos orificios naturales. Esto lo que provoca la corriente de aire que existieron en el pueblo. Las formaciones.
If stairs is not your friend, beware.
A este salón se le da nombre del foro del teatro, por la similitud y el parecido que tiene con él. Formaciones han mandado que asemeja ser una cortina o un telón de corrientes. La cortina o el telón del escenario. Al centro su decoración. La parte de arriba su cielo, lo de abajo su escenario. Ahorita un poquito más adelante lo vamos a ver ya más juntos.
So what do you say? In Mexico, there are other caves and volcanoes. I learned that there are other caves and volcanoes. Y'all, look at this. It's like really, the wall's like right here. And the walk down this like a little narrow path. You need his arm, bro. Stuff's a pretty little too. Definitely want to see other caves in Mexico. Also, Mexico has volcanoes, which I did not know either. So that's something else that I want to see while I'm here in Mexico or in Nuevo Leon. Looks pretty nice. It reminds me of that. There are these caves in Virginia. What are they called? Man, I forget. But look at that little crawl space they got us like steaming through like we spies.
Vamos a pasar, vamos a subir aquí con cuidado.
I feel like a real life archaeologist. Okay, so right there is the cross.
Yeah, that's the cross.
And then this rock here,
Yeah, that's the
the coven.
And then there's Jesus.
Oh, hold up. This is Jesus' face right here. And this is the cross from hell right here. As Natalia just said, 106 meters from the light down there. Yeah, it's a little sweat. If you don't think that you're not gonna sweat even if being 16 degrees Celsius up in here with all the stairs they got you walking, yeah, right.
Ahí van a soledad. Está helado y me voy a sentir más encerrada. Terror. Eso es pesadilla.
El Fardo. Well, we were like all the way up there last time. I wonder why they call it hell. We were like all the way up there.
Estalactitas y estalagmitas. Estalactitas son las formaciones que penden de arriba hacia abajo y estalagmitas.
So I'm gonna say here, outside of the place, you can get snacks if you want. Let's see what they got. I'm probably not gonna get anything because we got to ride back and possibly going out for drinks later. It's this place called Metapatio. I'll tell you about it later.
Lucas.
What's a tourist distraction without souvenirs? I'm using my key hook. I always use my keys. After checking out the caves, you get to take some time out to check out the nearby souvenir stands, grab something to drink, or grab a snack. I honestly would not recommend it because you're going to go to lunch a little later after this. The next stop on the tour, they take you to the town where you get to learn a little bit of history and you get to visit one of the local art museums.
Esa es la que hicieron de puras llaves, la escultura.
¿Y por qué el alien? ¿Se hizo acá la película o algo?
No, ahí tiene la explicación ahí.
Ok, la tiene escrita ahí.
Sí, pero fue una persona.
Splat here. There's like a mountain over here. I have no idea what this is. Like, it's like an arm, like a monster. Like, I don't know. That's definitely a hand. I don't know. This one. It's like a lady of the water, I guess. I thought this was a gas station, but definitely not a gas station. What could it mean? I don't know. I like art, but I'm not an artsy person. Demonic referee / anarchist, maybe? I have no clue. After lunch, we stopped at a local bakery in the town of Santiago. I really enjoyed this bakery because they let all of their customers sign the wall, and I had to take that opportunity to get Daring Travel's name out there. Also, thank you to one of the people that took the tour with us. He bought everyone their dessert.
¿Son de ustedes? Ay, ¿cómo se llama? Sí.
We're headed off to Metapatio, right?
Yeah.
Get some drinks.
Yeah, this is like a conspiracy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be a little COVID riot. Or riot, like protest, whatever.
Yeah.
Metapatio. Metapatio is an outside food park located in Central Monterrey. There, if you are a craft beer fan, you can definitely find your beer there. But you can also find other things like coffee, alcoholic beverage, tacos, french fries, burgers. There is a variety of items for you to choose from. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to end this vlog right here. Please tune in next week. Thank you again for all your support, and I can't wait to show you my next vlog from Monterrey. These like 750 stairs? Oh, I thought so. It's Batman Hive right there. Yo, Batman!
Find dragons or something. Water dragon.